Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Larry from Duo3 here to follow up on the index match tutorial that we had previously. This one is the index portion. So how do we do the index? First of all, to key in a new formula, you press the equal sign and key in INDEX. Open bracket, and you'll see the syntax that is required for this formula. For our case, we are doing one array, so we look at the top portion, while the second row of syntax is for multiple arrays. That is rarely used by ourselves, as it's more complicated to set up. So for our single array, we would tell Excel where we want to search for our rows and columns to return the contents within that address. So our array will be this whole data set from A3 to F15, and I'll press F4 to lock this reference point and key in comma to get to our second syntax, which is the row number. I would like to take my row numbers from cell A19, which is using the match formula, so I can dynamically update this. And for our column number, which is in the square brackets, meaning it is optional, we would use the cell A22, also using our match formula previously covered. So if it is optional, what would happen if we do not key in this column number? It would use the column that is being used by this index formula. So say we are using column D right now, the column reference would use column D as the column number. So when we press enter, it shows 1801 June, which is in line with our June Blender sales. So with this index formula, we could change our months to say March, and it would dynamically update the formula over here. Okay, hope this has been helpful for those of you who needs to search in big data sets, and look forward to bringing to you guys more good stuff in the coming tutorials.